Hello everyone. So this is the 1.9 update of the PlanetGen, and here the main thing that I have worked on is the single layer water material applied to the planet itself. Now here you can see in the shallow uh, ocean area you see a lighter color and then a darker color in the deep ocean area. So that's the main thing, the improvement here. And also the reason that I went with the single layer water material is there are problems with um, translucent water when I see it behind clouds. So now here with the single layer water, we can even have this transparency as well, even though it's opaque shading model. So here you see there is transparency, and right now I don't have active waves or forms. I'm working on that yet, but this is better than the material that we had before. So here, now let me quickly explain what was the issue with the translucent material. So here, me slow down again and adjust and select this planet, and here you see the water sphere, and here now this is the single layer water material that I have applied, but I do have this previous translucent water material. So here if I apply that, now you see so this material is not perfect. I was working on that, but I just want to demonstrate the problem with that. So here the main problem is right now you see this cloud shell that I have. There are two layers of cloud. Let me disable one of them and keep only the volumetric cloud. Now you see here the volumetric cloud do not appear over translucent materials, but you can fix that. Actually there is an option for that. Here is forget, apply cloud forget. When you apply that, it will appear. See, now it does appear, but still even with that, I think the single layer automatically is purpose built to support more performant way of rendering water for this kind of system. So I thought of going with that. So yeah, let me disable it now and go back there. Now the other problem that I was facing was calculating the depth of the ocean. So for that, actually, there is these two nodes that you could use. Pixel depth and then without water, and you could do a subtraction and calculate a difference between these two, but then you can derive the depth based on this, but this would depend on the angle that you view the water, and depending on how you set up the shader, you might see the shallow water and the deep water range is changing as you move around the world. So I wanted to avoid that too. So to fix that, I have written the depth, the ocean depth at the time I generate the water sphere mesh to vertex. So here to our channel. So this is I'm using as the depth value because I have written that I'm writing that at the time I generate the mesh, and I'm sampling from the generated. I do the calculation with the generated terrain mesh and use that to calculate. Yes, but there is no runtime cost to that because that is only calculated and written at the time the water sphere is generated, so it's basically free after that. So yeah, that's the quick update, and this update is available in Fab and also through Patreon if you remember. So feel free to check it out. I'll leave links in description below. And also this space kit, which include this playable um, spaceship that is built on PlanetGen, is also available now in Fab. So feel free to check it out. I'll leave the link to that also in description. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next episode, next update. Goodbye.